Today, one side of my hair is doing great and the other one is like, I'm tired, let's go to bed. But hey babes, what's up? It's Lorena. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I'm Lorena. I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos, and lately I've been on a roll. So if you'd like to see more content from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Today, I'm coming at you in my leopard robe. I'm wearing my little burgundy slippers that match my braided headband, and I am ready to share with you guys my nighttime skincare routine. Now, my skin is something that I've struggled with for years, ever since I was a teen. When I hit puberty, I had bumps and acne all over my face, and when I hit my 18th birthday, around the time I was 18, it got really bad. I had cystic acne and balls of pus and all the stuff that acne is made out of under my skin. I couldn't even poke at them because they were deep under the surface, and it was just a terrible time. If I have a picture of what my skin used to look like, I will insert it into this video, although I must warn you, I did not take photos during that time. But in the last 2 years, my skin has become the best it's ever been after numerous visits to the dermatologist, taking a lot of acne medication until they found the right one for me, and of course having a really good skincare routine. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I take care of my skin at nighttime to make sure it wakes up glowy and fresh. And without further ado, let's get into this video. This is an overall look at the main skincare products that sit right above the sink in my bathroom, so they're ready to go every night when I use them. To start off, I like to first take off any jewelry or accessories on my head or near my face. Next, I wash my hands thoroughly and take off my false lashes gently, if I'm wearing any, of course. Last, and sometimes the best part of my day, is getting my hair out of my face and into a ponytail. Once that's done, it's time to remove our makeup. Lately, I have been loving the Squalane and Antioxidant Cleansing Oil from Biossance. I usually use 2 cotton rounds to make sure I do a thorough job of removing my makeup. This is probably one of the most important steps of my nighttime routine, because not removing makeup correctly can cause further breakouts on the skin and in some cases infection, so be wary. For some reason, I always get my products near my eyes and then they get watery, so I'll be more careful. Now it's time for cleanser. I have really been loving this Gentlebubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser from GlamGlow. It's perfect for dry skin. I like to do the double cleansing method, which is where you take the cleanser without adding water and rub it on your face in gentle motions. Once it's nice and even, I add water to activate it. I continue cleansing my face and then wash it off. Once I finish washing off the cleanser, I take a clean face towel and gently dab my face dry. Now, moving on to face masks. I currently have 2 that I've been loving. One is a mud mask and the other is a red clay mask. I don't use these every night, but I try to do a mask 2 or 3 times per week to make sure I'm removing built up dirt and oil from my skin. Tonight, I decided to use the First Aid Beauty Skin Rescue Purifying Mask with red clay. This mask is very sticky because it's a peel off mask, but I don't usually peel it off because I feel like that can over dry my skin. What I normally do is leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off. Once I do, my pores are a lot smaller and my skin just looks more vibrant and even. After this, I apply my serum. The one on the right is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum from Farmacy. This one is a lot more intense but amazing. I only use this one 3 times per week. My everyday serum is the Prickly Pear Facial Oil. I use about 3 drops for my entire face because a little goes a long way. I love using this oil as a serum because it does an astonishing job at reducing wrinkles and making scars disappear, as well as hydrating my skin. I apply it gently all over my face and do a light massage with my fingertips to increase blood flow. I've been loving using my rose quartz roller to add to the face massage and to make sure the serum is nice and evenly distributed. It has a very calming effect on the skin and also reduces puffiness. Now it's time for under eye cream. Lately I've been using the 40 Carats Retinol Rich Carrot and Cucumber Eye Gel. I love to try new under eye creams each time I run out, but this one is very hydrating and I really like it. I apply it under my eyes, on my eyelids, and whatever is left over I apply around my mouth to help reduce wrinkles and laugh lines. Now it's time to apply my night cream. This one is the Seaweed Night Cream from Mario Badescu. I take a dime-sized amount and use it all over my face and down my neck. Always remember to moisturize your neck because it's the first part of your body to show signs of aging. This cream is very thick and sparkly up close. It gives me a radiant, even, and hydrated complexion every morning. Because I have such dry skin due to my acne medication, I like to finish up by applying Smith's Rosebud Salve on my lips. I truly believe it's a lot better than chapstick and it looks much more beautiful. Definitely give it a try. This last step is pretty new to my routine, but I have been adding the Lavish Lash Eyelash and Brow Serum to my upper lash line to help the lashes grow. It has definitely been working for me and it's very easy to apply. So, that's my nightly skincare routine for glowing and hydrated skin. I hope you guys enjoyed. So you guys, that's my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed sharing with you guys this routine. I have all the products linked down in the description box if you have any questions about them or where you can find them. I'll try to link them all below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel to see a lot of new content. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. That's it from me, and I love you guys so, so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!